This is topic number 3.12.1, debugging. How to debug a program. The purpose of this lesson is to understand what a bug is and learn why debugging is necessary in programming, and use print statement to trace the code to trace out the value in the variables. Identify logical errors step by step. Okay, what is a bug? A bug is an unplanned error in a program because there is no planning to make a bug. Bug is unplanned. And bug may be a syntax error, logical error, and runtime error. For example of syntax error. Okay, in example of syntax error is there. For example, you are writing print A, B, C, and you did not enclose double quotation. Mean error is due to double quotation. Error is due to double quotation because here you did not enclose. This is means syntax error. Okay, this is syntax error. Okay, I'm writing here syntax error. For example, you are writing A equal to B plus, you are not writing plus, or maybe C, or you are writing plus and after this you are not writing anything. This is syntax error. Okay, mean those error detected by interpreter or compiler in other languages, we can say that are syntax errors. Okay, now come to an example of logical errors. Okay, logical error. In logical error, you can say that example is, suppose you want to create a distance and speed formula like this. Here is distance and speed time. Okay, then what you are writing here, the correct formula is distance equal to speed times time. This is the correct formula. But instead of you are writing distance equal to speed over time, this is a wrong formula. Okay, but if you are using d equal to s over t, system will not give you any error. Okay, interpreter not detect error. That is called logical error. Okay, one of the example is logical error, and another example is runtime error. Runtime error mean when you are running a program, that time it shows error. For example, you are asking enter the value of a. Here you are getting an input integer, and input you are asking enter the number. Okay, enter the number, closing and here you are getting another number, integer, and input enter the value b. No, you are writing c equal to a divided by b. Okay, if the value of a is 10, value of b is 5, the answer will be 2. Okay, but if the value of a is 0 or 10, value of b is actually 0, then it will give you error. When error is showing on runtime. Okay, next is example. Code bug example is x equal to 5, y equal to 3, and temp equal to 0. X is 5, y equal to value is in y is 3, and value of temp is 0. Print values. X means 5 in place of y. Y means 3. Print let's swap the value. Temp. What happening here? Temp will get value of x. The value of x is given to variable temp. The value of x is 5. 5 is given to temp. Okay. Before is 0. I'm going to remove this one because this value is overwritten with this value, that is 5. Okay. This statement has been executed. Next, y will get from temp. Y will get from temp. Okay. Value of y. Second step. This is first step. Second step mean y will get value from temp. Okay. Now I'm removing 3 and here I'm writing 5. Okay. Next, y will give value to the x. The value of y is assigned to be x. Okay. Mean this step, and 5 and x is already 5. It will overwritten and new value become 5. Okay. No student, here is a bug. Okay. You can see that instead of swapping the value between x and y, mean at the end what it should be do, before x equal to 5, y equal to 3. After the swap, what should we do? X will get 3 and y will get 5. Okay. We want this one, but in this case we have lost the value of, and mean one value is lost. Okay. Clear? Now moving to next point. When you will show after swap value of x, x is also 5. You can see that what is in x is 5 and value of y is also 5. Okay, here is error. So you can see that this code, same code I'm going to run on the Python. Okay, value of x 5 and then 3. Let's swap the value, and after swap both are getting 5 5. 3 has been lost. Then they have written debug with print statement. I'm going to check with print statement. Debug means to remove the error. Debug means bug is error. Debug means to remove that error. Okay. X equal to 5. Okay. X equal to 5. Y equal to 3. Temp equal to 0. Same way you can write this one. Step number 1. Value of, they will display value of x. Okay. I will declare here. X, value of x is 5. Value of y is 3. And value of temp is 0. Okay. Next, print statement. Step 1, xy. They will show value of x. Value of x is 5. Value of y is 3. And value of temp is 0 right now. Now value of x is given to temp. Value of x is given to temp means temp will get 5. I am overwritten with 5. Now value of temp is 5. Okay. Step number 2, x is still 5. Y is 3. Temp is 5. Now next value, next statement, temp is assigned to be y. The value of temp is given to y. Okay. Now new value is 5. When you will write next statement, print step 3, value of x 5, value of y 5, value of temp 5. No, y is given to x. Y, value of x is 5, new value is also 5, 5. Then step number 4, 5, 5 and 5. Okay, in this way you can check that debugging, or you can find that where is an error in your program. I will show you in the program. Now when you will run the program, you can see the output. Step number 1, 530. What I did here? 530, same I have written here. Then 535, 555, and last one also 55. Okay. Next is the summary is bugs are logical or runtime error. Okay. Print debugging reveals mistakes step by step. In this way, you can find the error step by step. Useful when logic is small and easier to trace manually. Multiple choice question number 1. A bug is a Python library. An error in the program. An error in the program is a bug. Question number 2. Debugging means to writing comments, no. Fixing error, yes. Removing space, no. Download Python is not. Question number 3. Print debugging helps to hide errors, find values step by step, stepwise or step by step. Question number 4. Logical errors are spelling mistakes, wrong program logic, hardware failure, missing Python. Hard means wrong program logic. Question number 5. Print statement show variable values, memory address, Python path, none. Variable values. Question number 6. To print variable values, we use print. Question number 7. Which is common bug? Correct output, typo in variable is a common bug. Programming task 1. Print, debug, write a program to compute the sum of 3 numbers. Insert print statement after each calculation to trace the value. Sum of 3 variables. Okay. Now student, I have written a program, sum of 3 values. You can see that here. This program will need to be hidden. Okay. See. A equal to 5, B equal to 5, C equal to 9. New. Now so you can see here. A equal to 5, B equal to 7, C equal to 9. Step 1, value of A 5, value of B 7, value of C 9. A plus B 5 plus 7, 5 plus 7 12. Okay, step 2, they will show 12 here. Next one is total previous value is 12 plus C, new value is 9. 12 plus 9 21. They will shows here 21. Okay, I'm going to run the program. When you will run this, they are showing me 5, 7, 9, then total 12, and then 21. Okay. Next is programming task 2. Add debug statement to trace swapping of 2 numbers. Swapping of 2 numbers. We have taken a program. Okay, I have written a program x equal to 12, x equal to 10, y equal to 4, and print swap, and we will see that what will be the output. Okay, x equal to 10, y equal to 4, start, x value is 10, value of y 4, temp will get value of x. It means temp will get 10. Okay, temp 1, they will display here 10, and x will get value from y. Mean value of x will become 4. Swap 1, value of x is 4, value of y is still 4. Then temp is given value to the y. Now y will get 10. Okay, value of x is 4 and value of y is 10. These are the steps. Okay, I will run the program. I'm going to run the program, this one. Run. Now you can see the output. 10, 4, 10, 4, 4, 4, 10. Okay, next program. Task number 3, debug a loop that prints square from 1 to 5. Program is written here. For num in range 1 to 6, mean they will start from 1 to 6. And from where it will start? It will start from 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Square equal to means num, means first they will write 1 multiplied by 1. Okay, the answer will be, final answer will be 1, and in place of num they will shows 1, and in place of square they will shows 1. Okay, and I will write here down because next is 1 1. Okay, next is value is 2, value of num is 2, they will display here 2, and how they will calculate square? 2 multiplied by 2 equal to 4, and it will here they will display 4. Next, value of num will become 3 times 3, it will give you 9, and they will display 3 here and 9 here. Next, value of num will become 4 times 4 equal to 16, they will display 4 is here and square here. Sorry, 16. 4 and here square is 16. Next, value of 5 times 5, it will give you 25. Value of num is 5 and value of square is 25. Okay, in this way program will execute. Going to run the program. This is the output previous program. Run it. Run the program. Now you can see that 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16 and 5, 25. Okay, student, if you had any problem, if you will face any problem during this lecture or any other lecture, and if you wish I will help you in any other topic, I will prepare a video, please write me in comment.